And I have with me these two really popular and the people who have a lot of pressure on them right now. So I'm going to transfer all that pressure to you now. Sanam and Fawad, welcome.
Thank you,
Amna.
Amna.
Thank you.
आप लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है 12 साल के बाद? You're coming in 3 projects together, and Barzakh premieres probably tomorrow. We've seen the trailers, and it's highly complex, and I don't know whether anybody is going to understand what's going to happen in the next 6 episodes. पहले तो ये कि how do you guys feel coming together for a project after 12 years?
Can you hold on to that question for one
I can.
second? I have a question, not a question really. It's
Okay.
something that just occurred to me.
Okay.
Is this the room where all the magic happens, where all the interviews or something hot happen?
Yes.
Where you do all the gossip talk and all?
Gossip?
Yeah, yeah.
We've never gossiped in our
Don't
life.
you?
No.
Don't you have like a weekly update of things of
Yeah,
what's
yeah.
going on?
Hassan and
I mean,
Amna.
that's kind of like a gossip, right?
Okay.
So I'm sorry if gossip is a bad word.
Okay.
But this is that room, right?
This is that room.
This is the room where all the, including
The
Sanam,
drama unfolds.
The entire industry has been here,
Gigi.
sat on this couch.
You are
and listened.
immortalized on the
No,
wall
this
as
is
well.
my first time
You are
here.
immortalized
Where's
on
he
the wall
been?
as well.
Huh?
You are immortalized on the wall as well.
Am I?
Yes.
But where?
Oh
we
yes,
said-
this is the. You told me
Yes,
that your
yes.
father painted it.
Yes,
But-
yes.
Oh yeah.
Your father?
He's a cartoonist. He's yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
But this is the first time I'm on this. I'm
It
in this
is.
room.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. This is my third, I think, serious interview with you. The first was in Mumbai after you got the Filmfare for Best
Yep.
Debut.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
And the second was, of course, after your 8-year break before Legend of Molajad released, and now
No, then we did MBG as well.
we did MBG as well. Usko main nahi manti interview.
So where were those interviews held? If not in this
Random
room?
places.
Print.
Acha,
I love how the
print.
way this interview is kind of yeah, okay.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm kind of breaking into this.
Yeah, you
chair.
are breaking into it.
Yeah.
तो कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को बताएं ना एक भी नहीं तीन प्रोजेक्ट बरसक शुरू हो रही है कल क्या आप लोगों की एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं प्रेशर कितना है आप लोगों पे इस वक्त मुझे ये बताएं अच्छा एक इंटरव्यू का है मैं बेशक आपसे सवाल इंग्लिश में पूछूं जवाब आपने उर्दू में देना है
ये क्या बात है?
ये होगा
चले कोशिश है.
कोशिश करें
मैंने ऑलरेडी बात कर ली है बरज़क पे आसम के साथ आप प्लीज टेक
नहीं लेकिन ये आप दोनों के लिए सवाल है
जी जी जवाब दे दूंगी
जवाब पहले आप मैं या मैं.
आप
अच्छा. एक साथ 3, right?
एक साथ 3
Yeah.
एक साथ 3
It kind of looks nice as the third one
हाँ
across the face.
इस एक सबको लेट होश आया
पता नहीं क्या था आज पता नहीं हम किस जोन में चल रहे हैं आई लाइक इट
बट सबको लेट होश आया suddenly it just was out of our control I mean 10 साल बाद suddenly they decided अब actually one of them had been in the talks for a few years but it suddenly materialized Shandur
Yeah.
and the Netflix one also just kind of happened. This one, Barzakh, was random. Fawad was a really last minute addition to Barzakh.
Yeah.
We were looking for Shahryar and we actually after ages did a commercial together.
Oh yeah.
So the first time we worked together after Zindagi
After,
Guzari
yeah.
was in a
Really?
commercial.
Yeah, yeah.
And we were chatting about it. He's like, yeah, I'm doing Shahryar. And I was like, oh, what? I didn't know that. And he
Yeah.
said, yeah, Waqas se
So
baat ki thi, the
were you
producer.
guys in touch for these 12 years? Are you like good friends? People want to know.
Ajab,
No, we
people
weren't
want-
in touch. We're good friends on set.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, otherwise,
रात की
one
बात
thing.
की.
Okay.
Does that sound wrong?
Yeah, but that's
Okay,
fine.
then just delete
No,
that.
it doesn't sound wrong.
No, of course. Why would it sound wrong? नहीं
अच्छा, 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 अच्छा.
नहीं ठीक है.
So I think yeah, it's been 12 years, and बीच में एक आध दफा मुलाकात हुई है हमारी.
आपकी
like on
birthday
some
पे I
birthday,
remember, I
yeah,
remember
or,
seeing
or
Sanam.
an event here and there.
Event here and there.
But
That was in the middle of Barzakh shooting. We were in Hunza and then left and then
Really?
went
yeah.
for your 40th.
Oh yeah.
Yes, really.
So yeah, all 3 of them happened together. Actually, you know what? Now that you say it, it kind of sounds even more shocking that one after the other,
Yeah.
and it's been
Literally,
like that.
like
Literally one after the
July, maybe December, maybe Jan, Feb.
So did you know that you were in the projects that you were signing up for? मुझे पता है कि एक तो
हाँ, क्रॉस टॉक तो चलती है.
चलती रहती
हाँ,
है.
क्रॉस टॉक तो चलती है.
right.
For Shandur, yeah.
Yeah. So Fawad, coming to you now, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये वाकई एक नया फेज है आपकी करियर में कि अब we're seeing couple of web series, there are a couple of films in the pipeline, and I feel that okay, you're ready to get back into the action now. Although action बहुत हो गया था मौला जट में भी, and congratulations by the way.
Thank you.
What a phenomenal success that was.
Thank you.
But यार 10 साल में एक फिल्म तो नहीं कर सकते ना अब.
ना बात तो सही है.
तो बात सही है. तो अब आपने काफी सारा काम साइन ऑन किया है.
I did it all for you.
Thank you so much. That means so much.
You kept on saying it, you kept on nagging me about it, and I was like, okay, fine.
Let's
Here it is.
Just do
All
it.
together.
हाँ.
Pick your poison,
आपने
whatever
देखा ना
you
कि
want out of them.
flood gates खुलने वाले हैं तो अब वो खुल रहे हैं वो.
मदन चोपड़ा अब सैलाब
है ऐसा ही है.
आएगा.
फ्लड
सैलाब.
गेट्स खुलने वाले हैं.
खुल चुके हैं.
खुलने दो फ्लड गेट्स को. आने दो बस. काम ही काम अब हर जगह फवाद नजर आएगा.
ओडी हो जाएगा. उसके
नहीं
बाद
होगा,
कहेंगे
नहीं
खुदा के लिए.
नहीं
Very
होगा.
different. They're all extremely different. That's why I keep saying Barzakh was really important for you to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
yeah.
enjoy it. Like I enjoy material like
Yeah.
this. I've
Okay, yeah.
always
So
enjoyed.
what are you enjoying now? Because it took you a long time to sign on for something. अब बरज़क किया तो क्यों किया? Because आसिम का ख्याल था आप नहीं करोगे. He thought that why would you agree to it?
Yeah, that's true. एक दफा सेट पे भी उन्होंने कहा.
हाँ. And
But
then why did you agree to it?
because I've always been for a good narrative. I enjoy it. I think that's the kind of balance that I'd like to carry. Most of the work that I've done is ensemble work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I read the script. I liked it. I've seen his previous work. I'd seen Cake, and I thought he's a brilliant director. And on top of that, I think he's a brilliant writer as well.
Yeah.
And I saw the opportunity and I jumped to it. Or
And that's it?
Yeah.
I can elaborate.
Okay,
but
no.
whatever.
Okay, no. So
thanks.
you're also a producer and a writer as well, right? You're writing too?
But I moonlight.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah.
So, in a nutshell, reveal kiye baghair, give me a summary of what Barzakh is about. What appealed to you? Without giving away, of course, the story. But kya hai Barzakh?
Barzakh kya hai? I think it is. Okay, so the part about it, like I mean, it's such an expansive subject when you talk about it because it kind of borders on the abstract as well in places, and it's loaded with symbolism. But for me, in very simple and layman terms, I feel it is Barzakh जो है एक तरह से आपके जो जितना आपकी पुरानी सोच है, जो आपके पुराने ख्यालात हैं, उसको एक तरह से you come to a standstill, you come to a watershed moment, and then you reinvent yourself.
Okay.
यानी कि आपकी एक तरह से एक rebirth हो जाती है. And यहाँ पे the context is family. You know, it's scars that you have carried, जो जख्म, जो घाव आपको सालों के लगे आए हुए हैं, आप वो कैरी करते करते एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे पहुंचे हैं, और वहाँ से आगे जो है एक दूसरे को माफ करना, एक दूसरे से फिर से प्यार करना, to discover one another again and to bury old skeletons. I think that's what Barzakh is all about. On the very basic level, if you minus all the abstractions.
So it's kind of a Picasso version of Kapoor and Sons.
I think, yeah,
way.
or Cake.
It can be, can
Yeah,
be.
yeah.
Family-
Okay,
family
okay,
dynamics,
absolutely.
family dramas,
Absolutely.
But मुझे जो आसिम की अप्रोच जो इन फिल्मों में जो मुझे चीज़ें अच्छी लगी हैं, and what I like about Barzakh is कि हर चीज़ जो ना एक बड़े एक रियल जोन में है. You know, I
Really?
feel कि
Real zone
जो
में?
चीज़ जो मुझे लगता है कि हम डरते हैं आमतौर पे कहते हुए because of कि यार क्या आया कि लोग इतने for the lack of a better word इतने खुले डुले या इतने बदतमीज हो सकते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ कि अगर कोई तलखी है, कोई शिकायत है, तो वो इस तरह निकले कि आपको नफरत हो जाए एक दूसरे से, और प्यार करते करते भी आप जो है ना वो पहले उन ऑब्स्टिकल्स को जो है कवर करते हैं इन द प्रोसेस. सो आई फील दैट द अप्रोच इज नॉट वेरी ब्लैक व्हाइट. इट्स लाइक इट गोज फ्रॉम अ शेड ऑफ व्हाइट, सफेद से ग्रे में फिर काले में जाता है, या काले से ग्रे में और फिर सफेद में जाता है. इट डजंट ट्रांजिशन लाइक डे एंड नाइट, उस तरह नहीं है.
ठीक है.
लाइक
Layered है.
it's layered.
Layered.
Yeah,
Very layered, right?
it's
Very
complex that way, and it feels real because of that.
layered. Right.
Even in a surreal setting, it feels real.
आप एक्टिंग करते हुए फंस नहीं जाते कि ये करूं नहीं करूं,
Right.
किस तरह करूं, कैन वी चेंज इट? इट्स जस्ट सच अ नेचुरल फ्लो टू इट, पढ़ते वक्त भी और फिर इसको परफॉर्म करते वक्त भी. नथिंग सीम्स अननेचुरल.
Unnatural.
हर चीज का अपनी obviously flavor होता है.
Right.
All scripts are not like that, and that does not mean कि कोई एक स्क्रिप्ट किसी दूसरे स्क्रिप्ट से बेहतर है. लेकिन इस स्क्रिप्ट की जो सबसे जो ज़्यादा बात मुझे पसंद आई थी और जो आप कह रही हैं कि मैं एक तरह से एक साइनॉप्सिस दूं आपको, तो वो मुझे ये समझ आता है और मुझे स्क्रिप्ट की सबसे पसंदीदा बात भी ये लगती
राइट
है।
जहाँ परफॉर्मेंस की बात आती है सनम डिड यू फील दैट फवाद वाज द सेम पर्सन द सेम एक्टर एज ही वाज इन जिंदगी गुलजार है या 12 साल में क्या फ़र्क आया एज एन एक्टर बिकॉज यू आर सच अ न्यूआंस्ड एक्टर that how
हॉट सीट पे, हाँ, हॉट सीट पे
I
बिठा।
think for both of us, there's definitely, obviously 12 साल में आप बहुत बड़े हो जाते हैं.
yeah
Life changes you, projects change you. तो एक certain sense of ठहराव and maturity हम दोनों में मुझे नजर आया.
नहीं आप इनकी बात करें
अच्छा
फिर
ठीक
ये
है
आपकी
इनकी
बात
बात
करेंगे
मुझे एक सेंस ऑफ मैच्योरिटी और ठहराव नजर आया लेकिन मुझे पता था फ्रॉम आवर कॉन्वर्सेशंस ड्यूरिंग शूटिंग जिंदगी गुजारे के टाइम पे दैट इनको करने थे इस तरह के लेयर्ड जोकर टाइप रोल्स लाइक a negative, not a negative character but a grey character that the audience can empathize with, not just the perfect hero all the time or everything isn't roses and butterflies. एक underbelly side भी होती है characters की और वो उनको explore करना था. तो जब बरज़ख आया and I heard that he was doing it, I was like, this is exactly something that you would have wanted to do. So
yeah
it was nice to see that side. And then I'd seen Kapoor and Sons also, तो उसमें भी एक layered complex character था.
बिल्कुल
So and there was no doubt that he wouldn't be able to.
Although ये जरा
justice
ज़्यादा
to the
इंटेंस है,
character.
ये कैरेक्टर
ज़्यादा
ज़रा
intense
इंटेंस है।
This is mad.
yeah
There's a
Barzakh is mad
our characters are dealing with people who have passed. Our characters are dealing with 10-year-old children, 70-year-old Salman Shahid, our age people, village people, family members. So there's so many different dynamics. तो
Right.
इसमें आप काफी ज़्यादा bounce around करते हैं.
so my same question for you that how did you see Sanam how has she evolved as an actor in 12 years
How she evolved as an
मतलब
actor?
how do you feel working with her was the experience
Okay,
I
so
mean, how
this
was
is
it
a
different?
compliment by the way. ये मैं तारीफ कर रहा हूँ जब मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे नहीं नजर आया कोई evolution उस तरह से। I'll tell you why.
yeah
मैं आज भी ये कहता हूँ, मैंने इनको भी यही बात कही थी। मैंने केक जब देखी थी और जो उसका लास्ट सीन जब मैंने देखा था, I was when she goes on a monologue and she breaks down. It's mind blowing.
yeah
और मुझे लगता है कि अगर शायद अगेन सनम ने काम इनफ्रीक्वेंटली किया, बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंटली नहीं किया, और ज़्यादातर अगर परसू किया तो थिएटर किया आई बिलीव, राइट? बट when she's back in the seat, in the driving seat, she's just as good a driver as she was then, and I feel that I would like to know or see more work of hers, but the quality is there. मुझे लगता है कि ये अगर वो थी तो मैं यहाँ से यहाँ आया,
अरे भाई.
अगर यहाँ नहीं तो यहाँ पे।
always a gentleman lovely
तो हमारा कपूर एंड सन्स एंड केक ने
हाँ.
I think showed
yeah